Join me today for day 1 of my juice and raw food diet, cleanse, fast, whatever you want to call it. We made a raw meal and a fruit bowl. Everything today has been a hit, so join me and let's get started with these recipes. Y'all, this is crazy. That goes crazy. I'm about to make a cashew cream. We just have 1 cup of soaked cashews. I didn't soak them overnight. I just boiled some water and then I let them soak for a little while so they're nice and soft. And then we just have some frozen red onion. Just put all of it in there. It's probably like, I don't know, a quarter onion, half an onion. We're gonna add in some nutritional yeast. 1, 2, 4, 6. We'll do 4 tablespoons of these hemp seeds. Might be all that's left. 1, 4. Now let's add in some miso paste so we can get a nice rich umami flavor going in there. We'll just start with like half of a tablespoon because miso can be very strong. I might put the tomato paste to the side for now. We might not use that. 6 sun-dried tomatoes. Let's just add in some salt and pepper. I'm not gonna measure anything out. You just do whatever tickles your fancy. Not too much salt because I think I might add some soy sauce, so just a little dash of that. And then this seasoning I got from Ross, actually. They always have like a really good seasoning collection. This is from the gourmet collection. This is roasted garlic, rosemary, and sea salt. Figure it can't hurt. But we'll try this out before the soy sauce addition to this. So actually, let's just add a little dash. Okay. Next, let's add in some vegetable broth. We'll add in 1 cup to start. And then we're just gonna add a pinch of this peach cider vinegar. This is organic peach cider vinegar. I randomly found this, I believe at either Food Lion or Publix, I can't remember. Raw and unfiltered. It says it's better tasting alternative with the same benefits to traditional, and it has the live mother, rich in prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes. It may help to boost your digestive system, support weight loss, regulate sugar, and improve your well-being, overall well-being. 1 tablespoon. It smells delicious. Need some adjustment, but we can work with that. We'll add in a little bit more of this and just a sprinkle more soy sauce here. And then we're going to add in a half a cup of broth. Wow. I was not expecting that. That's really good. I mean, really good. What am I about to do with this? That shit is good. Ooh, I gotta figure out what to do with this. Oh, if it has some spice in it, oh my gosh. I just have some sliced white mushrooms here that I just washed off. If I would have planned better, I would have dehydrated these, but I'll have to dehydrate some mushrooms for tomorrow because you can dehydrate food whenever you are doing a raw diet, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, these are not, but luckily you can eat mushrooms raw. So we're just gonna season them real good, smash them up a little bit, and we got some, I don't know what kind of tomatoes these are, flavor bombs, orange bell pepper, some green bell pepper, and this heart of palm angel hair pasta. I've never had it. I hope it's okay, and then we'll go from there. But that's the basis of what we have. So I need to check this flavor profile again because I don't want to mess this up. Oh, that's good. I was thinking about something smoky. That is so good. Yeah, a little smoky wouldn't hurt. So get this, all right? Miss Tabitha, this is Like Sweet, Like Smoky by Tabitha Brown, all-purpose seasoning. This is garlic, onion, turbinado, sugar, and paprika. Soy sauce. This is the Drizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil Finishing Oil by Graza. I don't like how expensive this is for it to come in some darn plastic, but I said let me try it out and get it this time. So, and then this seasoning, and this is salt free too, you guys. So that's the other great thing about this, because I be pushing it. It smells delicious. Let's give this a good old mix. Those look so good already. I love mushrooms. Look at this. Lay this puppy back out. All right, let's just start slow because I don't know how this is gonna go here. And we're just going to smash. Ooh, this is going well. I feel it. Okay, maybe not as well as I thought. Now I can at least roll them over and like chop them up or something at least. Well, I mean, why would I roll them over, but I can just use my knife then? All right, we're getting somewhere, team. They smell so good. Here's what we have. Some diced orange and green bell pepper, the mushrooms that we made. This is some of those flavor bomb tomatoes with just some olive oil and some salt. And then this is the heart of palm pasta. I've never had this before. It looks like noodles. Yeah, it doesn't really taste like much though, which is fair too. And then I decided last minute to also add in some cabbage that we cut up. I thought it was a little weird because, you know, the cabbage has like a little kick to it, like a little zing or something like that. But I dipped it in the sauce and it actually was really good. So that'll also help to stretch this out since this isn't much. So this looks absolutely amazing. It smells amazing, but let's see how it tastes. You guys, I wanted it nice and saucy, so I was extra heavy. Please don't feel me. This is really good. Adding that cabbage was a great idea. Oh, and I'm gonna put some red pepper flakes in mine. All right. Them red pepper flakes and all this extra sauce. That goes crazy. Delicious. This is the way my body has been telling me to eat for a long time, and I keep ignoring it because sometimes some hot foods, or especially the meat replacements, they have not been hitting. Sometimes it's too heavy for me, and so this right here, make sure that you do subscribe before you go. I'll see y'all for the next video.